I bet you didn't know that space might have a limit to how small it can get. It's a concept that has puzzled scientists and philosophers for centuries. The idea that there could be a smallest possible unit of space is both fascinating and mind-boggling. Imagine, for a moment, that the vast, seemingly infinite expanse of the universe could be broken down into tiny, indivisible pieces. This notion challenges our very understanding of the cosmos. Scientists have long wondered if space is infinitely divisible. Imagine slicing a cake. You can keep cutting it into smaller and smaller pieces, but you always end up with more pieces of cake. This analogy helps us grasp the concept of divisibility in a tangible way. But what if, at some point, you couldn't cut the cake any smaller? What if there was a fundamental limit to how small those pieces could get? No matter how many times you cut it, you still have pieces, right? This is how we typically think about space and matter. We assume that we can keep dividing and subdividing indefinitely. However, the reality might be far more complex and intriguing. What if, at a certain scale, the very fabric of space itself becomes indivisible? But what if space works differently? What if, instead of being infinitely divisible, space is made up of tiny, discrete units? This idea is not just science fiction. It's a serious scientific hypothesis. The concept of discrete space challenges our traditional notions and opens up a whole new realm of possibilities for understanding the universe.